Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2018 Toyota Camry. This is the Hybrid XLE. It's our last remaining 2018. It's in the Blizzard Pearl exterior. It has the black leather interior. It's a 5-passenger, 4-door, mid-size sedan. Let's take a look inside. It has all auto up and down power windows, power locks, power adjustable mirrors, water bottle holders in the doors, has door sill protectors. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with a lumbar support. Passenger seat is 6-way power adjustable. Has auto high beams, which is part of Toyota's safety sense, standard on the Camrys. Traction control, your 360-degree view around the vehicle. Trunk release and your gas release. Steering wheel is leather wrapped and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. Also part of Toyota's safety sense, dynamic radar cruise control, the pre-collision system, and the lane departure alert. Here are the shortcut buttons. It's the 7-inch multi-information display screen. This will give you an eco score. Shows you how well you're driving and what you can work on. Your fuel economy, your driving support, your audio. This is your system status. So it shows you what's working, what's on. Energy monitor, so it shows you what's being used. Right now, just the hybrid battery is being used. You have a distance to empty on the gas tank. Tire pressure. You have the settings and the sensitivity. Lane departure alert, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert. It's the pre-collision system, or the clearance sonar for the parking assist. Has a heads-up display. I don't know if you can really see it in the camera. You have vehicle settings, meter settings. It's a push button start. An 8-inch touchscreen display with embedded navigation. Has an upgraded JBL audio system with 9 speakers. For your audio, you have AM/FM radio, CD player. Has a 3-month subscription to the Sirius radio. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. And this is where your backup camera and bird's eye view are. Auto dual zone climate control settings, air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors. You have wireless charging, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt accessory outlet. Your ECVT transmission. You have different driving modes. You have the normal driving mode. Eco mode gives you better fuel. Sport mode enhances the acceleration. EV mode lets you use just the hybrid battery in ideal conditions. You have a brake hold button that lets you, the vehicle will hold the brake if you're at a stoplight or stop sign and you don't want to hold it yourself. You just press that button, and then once you start moving, you're good to go. You have your e-brake, heated front seats, 2 USB ports in the glove box. Auto dimming review mirror with compass. You have the emergency assistance, interior lights, and the settings for the power sunroof. They're 18-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks, with smart key entry system. Has combined fuel consumption rating of 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers. You have the parking assist back here, so we'll warn you whenever you're getting too close on the front and back. There's a trunk release on the key fob. You get the spacious trunk, 2 sets of mats, one for the summer and one for the winter. And if you need more room, the back is a 60-40 split. You can just pull the levers back here. You don't have to walk around the car. You have power windows, water bottle holders in the doors, pockets on the back of the passenger and driver's seat, rear ventilation, has side curtain airbags totaling 10 airbags, anchor points for the child car seats, and they get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are heated and power adjustable with the signal integrated lamps. Has an automatic LED headlight system with LED daytime running lights. Has the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with the hybrid synergy drive and the nickel metal hydride battery. Has a net horsepower of 203. Come see our last remaining 2018 Toyota Camry Hybrid in the XLE at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.